Hello everyone, I was about to start a surprise egg video and then my cat whispers on the way. And I look chewing on it. Say hi to the camera. Yeah, do you want to open a surprise egg? No, chewing the wires, sir. Chew wires are bad. Sorry about the interruption. Right now, at the moment, I found one surprise egg that I actually missed in my safe video from last night. So, this video is only just to open this egg. Stop this! Stop! They're cute though. Okay, let's open it up. No! Let's see what we got. We got a Brachiosaurus. Dun, dun, dun. Hope you guys enjoyed the probably about a minute long episode of me opening up one surprise egg, but you also gotta get to see a cute at my kitty. Yuki, look at the camera. Okay, like and subscribe down below. I'll see you next video, which is probably gonna come out next 30 minutes to an hour. Bye.